to install IntelliJ or IntelliJ IDEA, we go to a browser and type IntelliJ, download, hit enter, and select the link we found, jetbrains.com, download IntelliJ IDEA. There are two versions, and we just need to download the community version. Click download here, and it's downloading. Now it's completed. Now we just need to run the downloaded executable. Click. Okay, it's running. And okay, it prompts us if we want to make it allow this app to make changes. We have to say yes to continue. Okay, we click next. Then we use the default directory provided, JetBrains IntelliJ IDEA Community Edition 2022. Okay, so next. Then IntelliJ, we want to create a desktop shortcut and add open folder as project. We don't do that. Add bin folder for the path. Okay. Create. We don't need all those ones. We just say next and install. Okay, we just click install. It takes some time, and then still running. Okay, completed. Okay, now the installation for IntelliJ IDEA is complete, and we can test it. And we can either start the desktop IntelliJ IDEA, double click, or the best way is to open a project to test it, make sure it's working. So I already created a demo project previously, very simple one. Double click. Okay, and we can open the IntelliJ by double clicking the pom.xml file. Okay, double click it. Okay, it's starting, loading the demo project. Okay, it's loaded. So this project, the hello file, hello.java file, is a very simple one. Just return hello world. All right. And before we run it, before we click this green button to run it, we need to do a setup one time. So we need to go to File, Settings, and go to Build, Execution, Deployment, then Build Tools, Maven, Importing, and then drag all the way down. We need to select Java_home. It's very important. And if you have not installed Java and have not set up the Java_home, then you need to go back to install Java first, then come back here, then select this one and click OK. Alright, once that's done, we can run it by clicking this green button. Alright, okay, it's running. Alright, so now, the project's embedded Tomcat server started on 8080. So we can verify if it's working and if it can print out the hello world by go to localhost colon 8080. That's the port number is running, and the demo /hello. It works. So it returns hello world. That means our installation is good.